Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera Wata. In case you're coming across my video for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do what to like, share, subscribe, okay? Do not forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, alright? And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love. Thank you for supporting me. I don't take your love for granted. I really appreciate, okay? Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a well-coated and perfect peanut burger. So sit right back and let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Don't go anywhere because you're going to enjoy this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the things you'll be needing to make your peanut burger. I have my peanuts here, raw peanuts. I have my flour. I have my salt. I have here my powdered milk. You can use milk flavor. I have my vanilla. I have my sugar and my egg. I'm using 2 eggs for this. So here is 2 cups of flour and this is 4 cups of peanuts. So guys, let's start. So guys, I'm going to start by blanching our peanuts, and to that I'll add hot water to it. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. I will stir this, cover and let it sit for 5 minutes, okay? So guys, 5 minutes later, and this is what our granite is looking like. I'm going to drain it and I'll remove the granite from the water. And I'm going to spread it in a tray and sun it outside. I'll take it outside in the sun now to dry. Okay, I'm going to take it outside now to dry. So after I've dried my peanuts, I'll start by mixing my dry ingredients, and to that I've just added in my milk. I'll go in with my salt. I'm going to mix this very well until everything is well mixed, okay? And to my liquid, I'm going to be using my sugar, my egg and vanilla extract. I'll beat it so well until the sugar is well dissolved, okay? Then we'll start coating our peanuts. Guys, to start coating your peanuts, you go in first with your egg mixture, then you add it little, you shake it until the peanut is mixed very well with the egg. Then you add in your flour, do the same thing until everything is mixed. Repeat this process like 4 to 5 times until your peanut is well coated, okay? And why mixing or while coating your peanut, you notice that the peanut is sticking to each other, please separate it. Alright, try to separate the peanuts from each other. So guys, after coating your peanuts, you are going to sieve out the excess flour, alright, and then your peanut is ready to be fried. So to fry your peanut, make sure that your oil is well heated, okay? And do not fry on high heat because your peanut is going to get burnt. And don't fry on low heat because it's going to end up soaking much oil. Fry your peanuts on medium heat, okay? You're going to fry your peanut until it is golden brown. So guys, repeat this process until you have fried all your peanut. All right, if you have watched me up to this point, it means you enjoyed my video. Please click on the thumbs button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye.